Hi guys, Russ here from Wilson Land and Cattle Company. We're at my lease farm and we're in the cover crops that we established earlier this year. And we're going to walk down through the field there and take a look at them. This is the first graze for this. I didn't want to graze it a lot of times. I wanted to try and build soil, because whenever we first come in here last year, there wasn't hardly anything here to graze. It was very poor quality. So we terminated the stand here and we planted cover crops, and we also put 2 tons of lime down. Before we get started here, please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, and hit that notification bell. We brought the girls down. We started setting fence about 9 o'clock this morning. We moved the cows about 9:45, and we had the cows moved and the fence tore out by 11:15. So we did pretty good this morning. They give us a little bit of trouble, and you'll see in that video, if you haven't already seen it, where they stopped on us and they didn't want to come past the farm. They wanted to stay up at the farm. So, but I think they're going to be in here probably the rest of the day. It's afternoon time here. There's actually quite a bit of grass here, so I want to open that canopy up and encourage other species. But I will set a fence in here just in case for some reason they spook and go through the fence. In here we have sorghum sedan grass, forage sorghum. We planted it about 3rd rate. I wanted to kind of use the sorghum sedan grass as a mother crop to encourage other species to start growing. There was no clover in here. There's clover growing now. There's some plantains there. There's asters. I see some horse nettle. We also added fescue to the mix. There's fescue. We planted fescue. But I'm really pleased to see that there's a lot of clover growing. I really am very pleased with that. And there's not a lot here as far as tonnage goes, but we'll get the impact on the soil we need and hopefully bring this thing back to where she's productive again. So this field was very, very unproductive. Here's a dwarf sorghum plant. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves on it, and it's 4 feet tall. This one here is the same, but it's about 6 feet tall. We also had some corn in here. I don't see it growing. That doesn't mean it's not here. We got lots of good stuff growing in here now. We got a lot of biodiversity. It's lesser desirable species. There's a calico aster. It's lesser desirable species, but that's okay. At least we have something growing now. Before it was almost pure dirt. It was actually scary that there was nothing growing here. It was kind of desertifying on us. So hopefully with this impact and the cows, we'll get her going. We're going to throw a drone up and take a look at the footage on that. And I'm also going to put a link. I've had a couple subscribers ask about the results that we got whenever we did we planted this with a Truax Flex 2 grass drill, and we've had a couple viewers ask for the results on that. So I'm gonna also put a link up in the top here towards the end of the video to that video. If you haven't seen it, you can check it out. It really shows the Flex 2 Truax drill working. Shows most all the working parts. 74 degrees here today. It's kind of warm. The cows are getting their winter coat, but we're not showing any signs of heat stress. So I'm going to throw the drone up and fly over the cover crop fields. I have another one back here on the other side of the trees. And then we have some grasses and stuff down below this. And we also have some grasses and a hillside over there that I don't want to deal with really. But probably the best thing to do over there in that hillside is sometime for me to come down and roll hay out and feed hay on it. Okay guys, I'm gonna throw the drone up. Hopefully you enjoy the drone footage. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.